Morning guys. Wow, what a morning. Easter Sunday. Happy Easter. You were a bit far over, love. How are we all doing? Hope everybody's well. So here I am, out fairly early. The wife's still in bed. And she had a radio interview this morning at 5 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, so she's gone back to bed, which means I get the morning out. Early morning wildlife. But the question is, where do we go? I don't know. I've got no plan. Stanton, there's always Stanton. It's a bit samey. You know, it's the place where everybody goes, so it's going to be busy. Although I'll get there about 10:30, so it might not be that bad. Thetford, is there much over at Thetford? Just feel like a little ride out and go and get a bacon roll or something. I mean, there's two flags, or there's Hungry Hogs on the A47 the other way, out near Rutland. I suppose that's doable. We'll see where we end up. Any updates at all on the bike? No, not really. To do with the new back tyre. Started to square off. That might have to wait for a little while. You know, money's always a factor. The other thing that I've decided that I'm going to do is a decat and remat. So what do I do first? That's an ambulance with his lights on. I don't think it is. Behind us. They're quite a long way behind at the moment, so we'll keep an eye on it. Bunnies on the verge. We like bunnies. Has anyone ever noticed that you join all these Facebook groups, particularly like the local ones, and when you read what the group is about, it's always about meeting up for ride outs, making new friends, new contacts, all that sort of thing. And the admins of the group always put on about, you know, meeting up at, I don't know, wherever, Tesco's at 10 AM on a Sunday morning, go for a ride out. They always go to the same place. And they always go mid-morning, which is too late because there's loads of bloody traffic around there. And the moment you put a post on saying that you're heading out somewhere, does anyone fancy meeting up or coming along? How many answers do you get? Nothing. No one. So it does seem as if they're all in their own little cliques. Difficult to actually break into any of their little groups. You don't want to break in, actually just want to meet up and have some extra riding buddies. But as I say, that just doesn't happen. But not with me anyway. Meet up with a few people this year would be nice. Something else that occurred to me during the week is that I just want to ride my bike. You know how you hear of skateboarders and surfers and that just saying, oh, I just want to surf, just need to skate. I'm happy. It's not just all I want to do is just skate, just surf. But I feel that riding a bike is much the same. It doesn't matter where you go. You just want to ride. So yeah, I think we're kindred spirits. So if you surf and I don't, and if you skate and I don't, I wish I'd learned. Actually, that's something I do. I wish I'd learned how to skateboard. But I guess at 53, I'm probably a bit old for that now. I've bust myself up. But yeah, I get it. I understand. Anyway, for now, I'll catch you later. Hopefully when I've decided where I want to go. Okay. Cheers, everybody.